So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get up with the upper portion, the upper V slide of the front bumper. So let's get into the edit mode first, getting that vertice right over there, then extrude it over on the left side, and moving on to the center of it like that. Let's push it up a little bit. So that's how it is. Going to the right side and then just pushing them up onto the blueprint lines over on the Y axis. We can't see all of it from the right side, so we have to improvise it, and then we have to add two more edge, two more vertices down right in the middle. So that would make it a much more smoother flow. So after watching the reference picture a bit, we have changed it a little bit. So now it's time to get with the second vertex with our extrusions. Now extend them right into the middle of the bumper. There we go. Now just some adjustments over on the right side. Coming to the top, it is completely out of place, so some adjustments over on the top side. It seems a little bit wonky for now, but gradually as we progress, all of it will be patched and fixed. Just follow as I'm going. Let's push the center one. Maybe not. Or maybe we have to push the center bit a little bit outside of the y-axis further, and we have to follow it up with the rest of the vertices. Seems alright. It will all be fixed in the subteam. So now we have to make the uh, inner V stride there. So starting first, starting with the extrusion first, and then just aligning up with the SZ, then just moving it a bit inside with GY, a little bit more. Then coming to the maybe not that much, maybe a little less, a little bit lesser. There, SY, keeping the outside vertice. I mean, keeping the inside vertice as anchor, pushing down the outside one a bit too much in the inside. then SC, then SY, then push it outside so that it matches with the blueprint line. All right, cool. Now just double G, then and just push it inside. Then again SY. It seems to be in the proper place at this moment. There will be one more phase down at the same tract, so then just extrude those four vertices there, shape it up with the S skew. By S skew, I means with after pressing S with an active element, then going for Z or Y or X according to your needs. So then just aligning them accordingly. Then extruding one vertex up, since we can't face patch it from that side. So to make the nose part over there, for that let's move those vertices down at the nose section or the vents pillar section. Then just scale them up like that. Okay, so now we're done with the rough outline. Let's extrude these inside. Uh, as you can see right over there in the reference pictures. So yeah, um, and later on we have to match it out with the top vertice that I have selected now. Let's push it down little bit. Then CNX. Just follow my lead at this moment. There's not much to explain. Just follow. Yeah, seems all right. A gradual transition. Now with these, we have to place it in the right place. We can see that it's a purple tile or purple face, since it is not in the perfect normal. Oh, let's get the face and just extrude it. Okay, yeah, that's causing some problems. Uh, Just extrude this edge over here, and then just make a face right over there. We have to do it like this since there's a problem with the face extrude at this moment. So our face to bugs. So I had to improvise and go with this flow. We have a really nice rough outline of the front bumper. Let's get the top. Cool.